A quick video today. We're in day 3 now, what with the fishes. I know I was supposed to do one yesterday. I completely forgot. Well, actually, I didn't forget. We started the garden renovation project yesterday, and so I was shattered at the end of it, and I just didn't have any energy to do anything, to be honest with you, except sleep. Anyway, so far I got tropical fish food. That's what I'm feeding them, and this catfish pellets. Okay, and this is what I made earlier on today. So all I've got here: garlic, broccoli, um, cauliflower, cucumber, not cucumber, no, carrots, and prawn. Okay, shrimps. So you can use, yeah, basically that's it. Now I was going to freeze it in sandwich bags, flat, lay in a flat, so I can break pieces and then feed them as and when. But I decided not to bother, because what I'm going to do tomorrow to finish this off, I'm going to get gel, and I'm going to make jelly with that, and then I can cut into small block of blocks. That way I can feed them with ease. One thing I noticed with these is that I actually tried feeding them. They love it, and they make very little mess. You will not have cloudy water as a result of this, because it's clean food, okay, and it's good food. I have not added vitamin supplement to this, so tomorrow I'm going to go to the shop and get myself a vitamin supplement, and I'm going to add that with the mix, and then I'm going to hopefully turn all that into jelly, and then we can, well, I'll use that for my gorgeous cichlids. So the water, as you can see, is clearing. It's a lot better than it was before. What I'm going to do, a lot of poop, as you can see everywhere. I'm going to clear all that using a siphon. I was going to show you how to use a siphon today, but I'll do that tomorrow when I clean. Well, I got my bucket ready and my mat as well, just in case. Well, water always, you always get water everywhere when you're doing this. So anyhow, yeah, that's that. One feedback is that, well, not one, a few. I've added more, whatever you want to call it, layers, stacks, only because fishes need lots of room for hiding and stuff like that. Okay, so this is why. Adding to that, I would say the negative side of having these, well, the rock and, well, generally with plants anyway, but more so with rocks, is that negative side is that you get debris and poop and waste, bio waste, leftover food stuck in between cracks and between rocks and stuff like that. As you can see, a piece of broccoli is stuck there. They'll probably eat that tomorrow. If not, I'll siphon it, clear it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, when you're doing your DIY style homemade food for your cichlids, you can blend them, but I decided to chop them instead, because blending is just going to go everywhere. So I just thought, break it into bite size for these guys. These guys are little guys, okay, little. They're about this big. So because of their small mouth, I decided to chop them into tiny pieces, manageable size for them. So that's the reason why I decided to do that, purely because that way then I won't have food everywhere, literally like mushy food everywhere. There'll still be small pieces, but they will find that and eat that anyway. So that's that. These guys, they don't really like it, so I'm fine with that. So therefore they will get their food mainly, and I got different food for them anyhow. So I give my food in 3 different goes, because I got different types of fishes here, as you can tell. So as I was saying, is the negative side is that you get food and stuff stuck between rocks. That's the negative side. The other negative side is that it disturbs the water flow, because the water is flowing, as you can see, cycling that direction, like this, and well, because obstacles and so on, it prevents like a proper water flow. So I have to put it on. I have to increase the power on that head to maximum, and then, yeah, that then helps with flow of the water. I removed few pieces here and there because you created a blockage. Anyway, that's that. Also, when I'm feeding, what I do is the head, I push it away from the side I'm going to deposit the food into. So I push it that way, and I deposit the food to the front, obviously, and I lower the power to the minimum. So that helps with that gives these guys a chance to eat without having to chase after food too much. So that's that. Another negative side of having cichlids in your tank with tropical fish, as per our experiment with guppies, they're not doing so well. Guppies, I've lost 6 in 3 days. I began losing guppies 1 per day, but 6 in 3 days, that's definitely a telltale sign that they are not compatible. Actually, there's one dead right there floating as we speak. So clearly what I'm doing is I'm actually moving these guppies into a smaller tank. So I'll show you that tank now. Anyhow, another thing is, even though you do get food and stuff stuck between the rocks, these guys, they're awesome. They're really cool. These, well, as you can see, the loaches, because they go in between the cracks and whatever and rocks. They'll eat all that. But obviously they won't eat cichlid food, so that's a bit of a bum to consider. But anyway, it looks natural, it looks beautiful, I like it. I just want the water to clear so it look better. I'm gonna, like I said, clean it tomorrow, change 10% of the water, and again that will help with clearing the water and etc. and the water quality. I want to give these guys the best of chance. Right, so one other thing, here they are, as you can see. Well, rather, here they are. I'm going to move the rest to this tank, so they'll have, well, they'll be living here for the time being. Just picked this up from Gumtree for cheap, £10, so can't go wrong. Anyway, that's going to be the temporary home for the time being. This guy was given as a gift to me. Yeah, he has nowhere to go.